Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in analyzing this drawing and trying to see how we'll proceed with this drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best starting point would be this inner circle. So we'll begin by drawing this inner circle of radius 10. Then with the same center point, we'll draw another circle of radius 22 and then move that circle down at a distance of 45 units. Then we'll draw these two tangential lines and we'll trim the unwanted part of the circle. Then we will draw another line which extends from the midpoint of this circle downwards to a distance of 98 units. Then, with that as a center point, we'll draw a circle of 43 dia and another circle of 40 radius. Then we'll draw one line from the midpoint of this circle and extend it to the right 135 divided by 2. Then with the end point of that line as this midpoint, we'll draw this circle of dia 17 and another circle of radius 16. Now we'll fillet both these circles at a radius of 77. Then we'll draw one circle with the same midpoint and a radius of 29. Then we'll mirror this part to the left. Then we'll do the center marks. We'll also change the thickness of the lines, follow it by dimensioning, and our geometry is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drafting. We'll pan the drawing a bit to the left. Then we'll first begin by drawing this circle of radius 10. So I'll pan the drawing a bit to the left and select circle, center radius. I'll use this as a tracking point. Click somewhere over here and give the radius as 10 units and hit enter. Then again I'll select circle, center radius, same center point, radius is 22 and hit enter. Then we move this circle, so we type the move command. From the midpoint of this circle, we move it downwards 45 units, hit enter. Then we draw one line which would be tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. Then we'll draw another line which would be tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. Enter. Then we'll trim the unwanted parts of the two circles. There is no need of using the join command to join this entity. Now we'll draw one line from the midpoint of this circle and we'll take it down at a distance of 98 units and then we'll hit enter. Now with the end point of that line as the midpoint, we'll draw a circle of 43 dia. So center diameter, click here and we type 43. And then we'll select circle, center radius. This is the center point and radius is 40. Now we'll draw one line which extends from the end point of this to the right at a distance of 135 divided by 2. Hit enter. Then we'll draw this circle of 17 dia. So we select the circle, diameter is 17 and hit enter. Then we'll draw a circle with this and radius is 16 and enter. Now we'll do this filleted arc of radius 77. So we type fillet R for radius 77. Then we select this circle and we select this circle and we get the filleted portion. Then we'll draw this circle of radius 29. So circle, center, radius. This is the circle, radius is 29. Now we'll mirror these entities to the left. So we type the mirror command and we select these entities, hit enter. This is the first line and second point of the mirror line, enter. Now we will draw tangential lines, line tangential to this circle and tangential to this circle. And another line command, tangential from this circle and tangential to this circle. Hit enter. Then we'll trim the unwanted part of the circles. So we type trim, we click here, here, here and here. We also no longer need this part. We no longer need this line. Also, we no longer need this part of the circle. And our geometry is now complete. Now we select the entire geometry this way and we increase the thickness to 0.30. Then we press escape. Now we use the center mark command and give one center mark here, CM for center mark, and we give one center mark here, one here, one here, and finally here. Then we select all the center marks and change their color by layer to red. Now our line work geometry is complete. We can proceed with dimensioning. So we'll first select radius dimensioning and click on this arc over here. And radius is 29. And then we go for linear dimensioning and center to center. Distance is 135. And then we go for radius dimensioning and we give radius for this circle as 10. Again radius dimensioning, radius for this circle is 16. And then diametric dimensioning, diameter for this is 17. Then linear dimensioning, center to center, it is 45. Then radius dimensioning, click over here, it is 77. And then linear dimensioning from here to here, it is 98. Then radius dimensioning, click here and it is 40. And then diametric dimensioning and click here and it is 43. And radius dimensioning, click on this arc and it is 77. And then diametric dimensioning, click on this circle, it is 17. And radius dimensioning, click on this and it is 16. And our geometry is now complete. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have studied how to prepare this beautiful geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.